Oh, you're
Go ahead.
fine.
Yeah, I got to do a
But I mean,
video
the only
here.
reason I didn't have Benuti do it was because of the timing.
Yeah,
And
he
just
books
so
out quite a
far
bit.
Out. I waited forever on the hips. But it was an insurance deal. You know,
Mm-hmm.
this year I still got all these other surgeries in the same year. If I booked it into the next year, I'd be all over deduct. Not that I probably won't meet it anyway, but you
Yeah.
don't know. And we're changing companies, so I thought, I gotta get all this done. So does this look comparably normal though?
Oh,
for
very.
somebody that's out like this?
Yep, it looks
Okay.
great. You don't have any like swelling, notable swelling around.
Oh,
You
okay.
I mean, you do have generalized.
I do have
That's-
generalized.
That's
I
to
could
be
feel
expected.
that. And I do a little bit of gentle massage upward.
This is just steri strip glue. I'm just gonna put some
Oh,
steri
yeah.
strips over it. These will
I've had-
fall off.
I've had them before, you know, with the hips. So.
Okay, perfect. Yep, they'll fall off on their own.
Yeah. But you know, your memory of pain fades pretty quick. I had that horrible dislocation in the hip. There was nothing I thought could
You
compare
remember
to
that.
But
You'll
well,
never
it's
forget
even
that.
faded a little.
Usually we have people who want to get both knees done. They come in at this 2-week mark and they say, I don't know if I want to do my other knee. At the 6-week mark, they come in and they're
come
like,
in and
okay, sign me up.
Yeah. My pops when I get up even now, but he did think maybe I could make it a year. Who knows? My concern is not the pain on that. My concern is doing anesthesia all that often.
Yeah, and that's something that you can't really get around without.
You can't get around it, and I don't know. Sometimes I just think that anesthesia zaps me.
It does. Your body's not, you know, that's very
Yeah,
unnatural for your
it
body to
is.
go under.
And I like the quick surgeries. But
Well, all those are out.
oh my gosh,
So-
is that ever quick?
This tape will stay on. It will fall
Oh,
off
yeah.
on its own.
Okay.
It's the same with the steri strips. They will
like
also
they
fall
did
off on their own.
eventually. Have to be a little careful showering again, like I did at first with the
Uh,
hip.
Got the double check with Nick. Typically
Okay.
at this point in time you can shower as long as you don't soak it or scrub it.
right.
Let warm soapy water just run over it.
Let
It's
it run
fine.
while you're showering, yeah. Yeah, usually he said as soon as like a couple more weeks after this, I can get back in the swimming pool. But we'll see. How long do they usually see you after this time?
Usually at the 6-week mark. We take x-rays at the 6-week
Yeah.
mark. Make sure everything looks okay. As long as you're not having problems, we most likely won't see you back until a year.
Yeah, that's what I was doing with my hip kids.
And we generally don't have too many problems with it, so.
Oh, I wouldn't think you would.
Okay.
It's just a matter of toughing it out till you get it where you want it.
There, your staples are out.
Yeah.